Hey guys, back again. Today we're going on a bit of a quiet day. We are going to have some breakfast and then we might go to like a zoo place for Roman, loving the animals of course. I'm coming back to the car right now. We're at a breakfast place and I'm getting the stand because we're playing some games while we wait for breakfast, and Dawson thought it'd be cute to put on the old vlogs. Dangerous, we're crossing the road, trying to get run over right now. Still in Koh Samui, hot, super hot. Anyway, here they are.
What about me?
No, because you've already got the one. Come on, your turn. Oh, okay. Now what are you going to do?
Please get this one.
Breakfast is finished. Come on, let's go. There's the keys. Just wait. Yeah. We're now probably gonna go back home. Kids go bathroom, and then goodness. Where are we going, Dusty?
Can we play a game in here? To get straight.
It is so hot.
Can you turn that
Yeah, I'll tell you. Oh. Oh my goodness, wind's coming everywhere. Okay, boys. Boys, we're gonna go home, go bathroom and stuff, and then we're gonna head off. Okay? Let's go.
Baby's whistling in the morning sun. Every day, just a singing a song. My baby's whistling in the morning sun.
All right, we're here. Let's go get some tickets, eh?
Your dog's protecting you.
Come on, guys, let's go.
That's one feathery chicken. Or rooster. Mum. You see the black stuff on it?
Can you? Delcy.
Oh my goodness. What is that?
Give me a finger.
What is that? It's like a gremlin. Because it always goes upside down.
Don't put your finger inside.
Don't put it near its mouth.
Like this.
What is that?
Like a koala / monkey.
They like to jump to the food. You can walk around, you can go inside everywhere, you can pat them, just be careful for your kids. Don't run, don't screaming. For the food, for your basket, I put it here. After if you want to feed them, you can take one by one. Feeding chart is on the tree. You can look what you can feed them. Just be careful for Bambi. He not aggressive, but he like to put like this. For he ask for the food.
Okay.
If you feed him, you just feed and you stay from him.
Yeah.
Bambi wait for the food.
Can I please take it with you?
Oh,
Please show it again. Let's take
I
it.
think of it.
Please show it again.
Don't do it to me.
Fine. Oh man, I wish you did it again. I don't know what's happening.
Confidence.
I've been so amongst animals before. I feel like I'm a part of them or something. No, are you serious? We're going inside the monkey cage.
Yeah.
No, Jay.
Yeah.
You cannot be serious. No one's going to bite your face off.
No, they can't. Oh, children.
Boys, come on please. We're going in the monkey cage. Close the door. Well, hold on, James. I've got my sunnies. 1 second.
Don't worry about it.
Monkeys eat people.
Can you relax? Come on. Come on.
Hurry up! So we should close the door.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Delta, can you film, please?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just gonna, because I'm filming on my phone as well.
They eat
Oh,
watermelon.
look how cute that is.
Mm.
I want to feed one.
Yeah, Delta, can you take this, please? Can I get one?
Which one?
Take it.
Take one, please. And put it near its mouth.
I want to take one.
Yeah, Roman, I'm going to put him on your shoulder.
No, don't
This
you.
is a baby.
He's gonna scratch
He
me.
does scratch, honey.
Oh, Daddy, just let him be on me.
Oh, he's so cute.
There you go.
Oh, Roman, that is adorable.
Milan, do you want to feed one too?
Milan, come on, feed one.
But I don't
Hold him.
want him to come on me.
You do. Come here.
No, I don't.
Milan.
I don't want him to come on me.
They're going inside my pants. They're going inside my pants. He's scratching himself.
He's so cute.
Wait, no.
Oh my god! You just jumped on me! Can you see this?
He's trying to get the cup. There you go.
Oh, he's trying to get the cup.
Seed.
Can you give me a fix?
Oh.
There you go. Come here.
It's like he's trying to get out of my pants.
Is it a bird or a monkey?
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, that guy just almost fell.
Okay, just give me a fruit. Give me a fruit.
Come on, come pet him while he's eating. Come.
Look, he's inside it. There you go.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
Honestly, hold on, baby. It's completely fine.
I just want a bird.
Alright, let's go. Are we ready to go? Roman,
At his body, not by his face.
Roman, now I don't want you touching your lips or your face or anything, okay? I've seen you now get licked by animals a lot. Oh, God.
I know when they jump, it's like.
I just don't expect it.
just took over. Hold that, Rome. Shh. Yep. He's run off with it. Hey, bud, you want some of those?
This guy's a good raccoon.
I've never seen a raccoon. Milan? What you doing, bud? You just washing everything in there? That was crazy. It's nice to let the kids go and spend time with some animals. We're always concerned about, you know, exploitation of the animals. So we always try and pick nice places. But as well, we've found that because our kids are exposed to animals, they're more aware and more kind with them, and we can educate them and things like that. So it's been important to us to do that and show them what free and loved animals are, protected animals, saved animals, etc., rather than exploited ones. And there are a lot of exploited ones in Thailand. So we are now waiting for mango juice, and then we're off to, I don't know where, maybe home, maybe a bit of a swim. We'll have to see.